I'm Nick with Rising Sun Pools, and today I'm going to show you how to prime a pump. So, first step is to make sure that you have, you want to make sure that your valves are closed, your main drain and your skimmer. You're going to open the pump lid. And you're going to take a bucket of water or a garden hose, whatever you have available to fill up your pump lid. Pour that in, and then you're going to snugly seal the lid of the pump, and then you're going to turn on your pump. And then as your pump kicks on, you're going to open your main drain. And then once you start seeing water flow into the pump basket, then you tell your pump is priming. And then once you get a good amount of water going through your pump basket, you can then slowly open your skimmer line. And you may get some air coming through the lines and stuff, and you might have to close it back off for a minute, and then slowly just open it as you get less and less air in the system, and then you'll finally be able to open it all the way. And then once you have both open and water roaring through your pump, the pump is now primed. And if you have any other questions about this, feel free to call the store and they'll be able to answer anything that you have.